Most learners use AI, but their English doesn't progress. In this video, you'll test your C1 listening, fix your mistakes, and see how to actually use AI to improve faster. Listen to this short text once. Don't write anything yet. Just try to understand the main idea. Many learners believe that simply using AI tools will automatically improve their English. However, progress depends on how those tools are used. So what's the main idea of that text? Is it A, that AI always improves English automatically? Or is it B, AI only helps if it's used correctly? Well, the correct answer is B. Now we'll do the dictation. I'll read in short sections. Write what you hear. When I say blank, write the word blank. We'll replace it later. So grab something to write on, and don't worry if you miss a few words. If it feels fast, you can slow it down in the settings, but try to do it at normal speed at first. If learners rely blank AI to do the work for them. If learners rely blank AI to do the work for them. They may understand the final result, but they fail to develop the skills needed to produce the language independently. They may understand the final result, but they fail to develop the skills needed to produce the language independently. A more effective approach is to treat AI blank a conversation partner rather than a correction tool. A more effective approach is to treat AI blank a conversation partner rather than a correction tool. By asking follow-up questions, requesting clarification, and challenging responses. By asking follow-up questions, requesting clarification, and challenging responses. Learners are more likely to engage deeply blank the language. Learners are more likely to engage deeply blank the language. This process not only improves accuracy, but also helps build confidence and fluency blank time. This process not only improves accuracy, but also helps build confidence and fluency blank time. Pause the video and think how many mistakes you made. I'm going to show you the full text so you can compare it with your writing. Now, replace the word blank with the correct prepositions. Okay, so here are the answers. Rely on, treat as, engage with, and over time. These are typical C1 level English mistakes. Now here's how to use AI to fix them. So I'll send that to it. Correct this sentence and explain it at a C1 level. Okay, now we understand that it's the wrong preposition after the verb rely. And it talks about collocations. Okay, that's not bad, but we can go deeper. Let's say, give me 2 more natural alternatives. Depend on, nice. Use AI to do this for them, okay. And finally, keep engaging with it and with the language. Maybe we want to know, for example, are there any other prepositions that can be used after rely or depend? And it says this is where English is strict, which unfortunately it is. But that's how I would engage with the AI to get the most out of it. So if you understood most of the dictation that we wrote down, you're already working with C1 level language patterns. If you want to do this exercise more seriously, you can write the dictation on my website, and I'll put a link in the description. Comment with your score from the exercise earlier and what you want to practice next. See you in the next video.